Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to log two-way communication. So you're logging attendance already, and attendance is of course just entered into PowerSchool just like normal. So I'm hoping that you can see my screen, and I'm going to go into our McGuire Elementary shared drive, and I'm going to click on shared drives. I have a million, so don't make your eyes go nuts. You're going to go to McGuire Elementary, then you're going to scroll to Oilers Online, which is here. And there's a folder in there that I've made that's called attendance. And I copied exactly what Kathleen has been doing, and probably Tiffany and Kelly also. I just used one of their sheets, and it's in here with your name on it. So you're going to find your name. So for example, my first one that pops up you can see is Baker. So I'm going to pull up Judy Baker, and she has a document which is going to allow her to log two-way communication easily. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and first up here you'll see the teacher name is you're going to enter there. And then this is the week, which I've entered for you. If you look down at the bottom, I don't know if you'll be able to see that right now, but there is a tab here. Yeah, my tools are here. There's a tab here that's for the week, and then there will be another one that says original, and you'll just make a copy of the original each time that you want to add a new week. So you'll add a new tab each week. You'll put all your kids in here, and then of course for attendance, if you want to, you're going to enter attendance in PowerSchool first, or you can just do it on this document and transfer it into PowerSchool later. So what I was saying yesterday is that your attendance basically isn't going to wrap up until the following day. So you're going to have attendance that you'll mark during the school day, and then when you come in the next morning, you'll wrap up attendance as you see which students were online that evening doing assignments. So we have to have two different connections with kids. So one of those connections could be here where my mouse is wiggling, a morning meeting, a live session, Zoom or Meet. So what a lot of teachers were doing is just saying good morning in their morning meeting and checking off, okay, this kid, this kid, this kid, this kid, those kids all were able to, they were here, they were able to be on. So that is their one communication that I have for the week. If you have about 3 kids, for example, like say all of these are checked off, all your kids show up, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids missing. So now during that day, at some point, you've either got to show one of these ways that you connected with them to record it as a two-way communication. If you don't that day, it's okay because you have the other days in the week to record two-way communication. This way is a little bit trickier, or excuse me, this week is a little bit trickier because we have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's it. So we've got to record two ways of communication with them on 2 days for the remaining 3 days of the week. So one of those ways could be their normal attendance, like I showed you, which is here, which is that morning meeting or the end of the day meeting or some other Zoom or live session. Could be a phone call or a text that you reach out to the parent. Could be an email response you get from the parent, or maybe you get the phone call or text from the parent. Or if they're commenting or responding to a submitted assignment. If there's another one, maybe gosh, Mrs. Peterson had an example of one today, and I can't remember what she said, but there are other examples for ways like, oh, go Guardian if you're on a chat with them. So that was an example she had, so that would go in the other column. Once you have one here for the student, that's one example. We need two-way connections during the week. That's it. So once you have them, you don't have to log any more two-way for the whole week. So you might only have to try, on 15 kids for 2 days, and then you're done. And then your remaining, say you have 20 kids, your remaining 5, you're trying those other modes throughout the week. And of course, attendance you're doing every day, but then Tiffany is going to be able to go into this shared folder and be able to go to this document and find out, okay, how did we record these 2 ways? When were they? And what did they look like?